Want to run powerful AI models locally, without relying on cloud services? Imagine building AI-powered applications with full control over your data, enhanced privacy, and seamless integration. In this video, we're diving into Ollama, the game-changing tool that lets you run AI models on your own machine. Let's get started. So what exactly is Ollama? Ollama is an innovative framework designed for local AI model deployment. This means you can run large language models like Llama, Mistral, or even custom AI models, without relying on the cloud. Why is this a big deal? Because it gives you more privacy, more control, and less dependency on internet-based services. Many AI models today run on the cloud, which can be convenient, but it comes with limitations. Cloud-based AI can be expensive, slow, and pose data privacy concerns. Here's why running AI models locally with Ollama is a game-changer: data privacy. Your sensitive information stays on your machine. Speed and performance, no network latency, your models run instantly. Cost efficiency, no cloud subscriptions or API usage fees. Offline functionality, run AI-powered tools anytime, anywhere. Imagine working on NLP tasks, AI assistants, or automation tools, all running locally with full control. Ready to dive in? Here's how to get started with Ollama in just a few steps. Step 1. Install Ollama with a simple command curl, fssl https://ollama.ai/install.shash. Step 2. Download and run your AI model like Mistral or Llama. Ollama run Mistral. Step 3. Integrate it with LangChain for powerful AI applications. Ollama makes it incredibly easy to build chatbots, AI assistants, and automation tools, all running locally. Ollama doesn't work alone. It pairs perfectly with LangChain, a powerful framework for building AI-powered applications. With LangChain you can create AI chatbots that understand context, automate workflows using natural language, and deploy AI agents with multi-step reasoning. Here's a simple Python script to run a chatbot using Ollama and LangChain. Python from langchain.llms, import Ollama LM, =Ollama, model Mistral, response, =LLM, invoke, what are the benefits of running AI models locally? Print response. Just like that, you have a fully functional AI assistant, without relying on cloud APIs. So where can you actually use Ollama? Here are some real-world use cases where local AI deployment shines. AI-powered coding assistants to build tools that suggest code snippets or debug errors. Enterprise AI chatbots to train chatbots with company-specific knowledge while keeping data private. AI-powered document analysis to automate tasks like contract reviews and research insights. And privacy-focused AI tools to keep personal and business data secure without relying on external servers. Companies and developers are already integrating Ollama to build smarter, more efficient AI applications. Local AI deployment is shaping the future of AI. As models become more efficient, expect to see smaller, faster AI models that run on personal devices, decentralized AI applications for better data security, and more AI-powered tools for businesses and individuals without cloud reliance. And Ollama is leading the way. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or business owner, local AI deployment is a game-changer you don't want to miss. So, are you ready to take AI to the next level by running powerful models locally with Ollama? Check out the code here. Become a certified Watson X AI assistant engineer. Use code IBMTechYT20 for 20% off. Learn more about large language models. Stay ahead in AI. Subscribe for more AI insights and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let's keep building the future of AI, one local model at a time. See you in the next video.